Hello everyone, I'm Jazz Bhatia from Jazz Academy Panipat. This video will be about letter writing. So what is letter writing? And there are how many types of letter writing are there? So there is applications that we used to write to our principals or applications of sick leave, and there are other letters, that is business letters, official letters, letter to editor, to the newspaper. So first we will start with letter to editor. So what is a letter to editor? When we want to write a letter to the editor of any newspaper discussing about any certain issue that is going around. For example, if there is a problem of pollution, rising in a pollution, so we cannot reach one by one to any person. So what we do, we write a letter to the editor and discussing about all the concern that we want कि जिससे जो लोग हैं वो अवेयर हो. So we write in such a format that after that the letter to editor, the editor of a newspaper can customize, can do plus and minus and print a great article in his newspaper, so that the concerned things, the concerned issue will reach to each and every citizen of the place. So first we will start with the letter to editor. There is a certain format that we have to adapt. So सबसे पहले how we can write first in 2 or 3 lines maximum. We cannot extend after more than a 3 lines. So this is 2 line that contains the address of a sender. Means I am a sender, I am sending one letter. So I am a sender and the person who is receiving the letter will be receiver. So यहाँ पर 2 lines contain my address because I am a sender. Then there is a 1 line gap. Then there is a date of writing a letter. Then there is a 1 line gap again. Then there is a receiver address, the person who is receiving the address. And it cannot be extended more than a 3 lines. First line will contain the designation of the receiver address. Like if I'm writing a letter to the editor, so editor is a designation. Then on the second line, we can write the newspaper name, and then we have to write the city and the pin code of a newspaper. Then there is one gap of line. Then there will be a subject. Subject is किस चीज के बारे में हम लोग अपना पूरा लेटर कर रहे हैं, किस चीज के बारे में हम अपना पूरा लेटर राइट कर रहे हैं. But there is one thing that the subject cannot be extend than 4 to 6 words. Subject should be very small, subtle, but it has a great impact on a reader's mind. Then there is a salutation. Salutation is sir or ma'am. We cannot write respected, but we only write sir or ma'am or dear sir or ma'am. Then there is again 1 line gap. Then this is the whole paragraph. First, it will start with a paragraph 1 that contain a opening line. Opening line क्या होती है? Opening line होती है कि I have to give my identification a little bit. For example, I am a regular reader of your newspaper. I really want to express my views on the concerned topic. Then यहाँ पर जो concerned topic है वो आ जाएगा हमारा subject. Then there will be second paragraph. It contain a body of a letter, that why we are writing this letter. Here we can explain all the causes, all the effects. We can give out some examples as well, so that जो ये letter read कर रहा है, जो editor के पास ये letter पहुंची है, हम उसको convince कर सकें कि how this letter actually mean. Then it will be a paragraph 3 that include a conclusion. कंक्लूजन होता है अकॉर्डिंग टू अस और अकॉर्डिंग टू एनीबडी. अब इस चीज को, जो हमारी प्रॉब्लम है, इसको कैसे सॉर्ट आउट करा जाए, ये सम अप कैसे होगी. वी कैन राइट हियर कि जो भी कंसर्न अथॉरिटी है हमारे सब्जेक्ट के टॉपिक से रिलेटेड. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर हम लोग रोड्स की बात कर रहे हैं या हम लोग पार्क्स मेंटेनिंग की बात कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पर कंसर्न अथॉरिटी म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन आ जाएगा. अगर हम लोग स्ट्रीट लाइट्स वगैरह की बात कर रहे हैं या किसी और चीज की बात करें, तो उससे रिलेटेड जो भी कंसर्न अथॉरिटी है वो यहाँ पर कंक्लूजन में हम उनको इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हैं. देन देयर विल बी 1 line gap. Then there is a thank you, and we can write. Then there is 1 line gap. Then there is yours truly. It can be yours truly. it can be yours sincerely, but it cannot be yours obediently. Then there is a one line gap. Then there is sender's name, and that can be any. जो भी ये लेटर लिख रहा है यहाँ पर उसका एड्रेस होगा, and here there is a name. So here we have a sample writing of paragraph 1 and paragraph 3. Through the column of your newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authority towards, what is towards, that is a subject. We are writing a letter. So here we can include the subject, and the subject is here. And then I have already told that there is a body to paragraph. यहाँ पर we have to write all the details of a subject. Then there is a last paragraph. It will be good if you publish this in your newspaper, and the concerned authority will see the gravity of this matter. तो यहाँ पे हमने एक सम अप कर दिया. We have involved the concerned authority. Concerned authority में if we don't know about who is related this issue to certain authority, तो यहाँ पर वो चीज कवर अप हो जाती है कि जो भी इशू है, कंसर्न अथॉरिटी जो भी रिलेट होती है, वो उसको इशू को, उसके इशू के मैटर को की ग्रेविटी को फाइंड आउट करे और इस चीज को बेटर करे. Now this is a letter of job writing, of job interviews. If I want to apply for a job of any vacancy, so obviously the wording has to be little bit alternate. So the beginning of format of a letter will remain same for any sort of business letter, for any sort of official letters, for job interviews letter. This format will remain same, like the sender address, date, receiver's address, subject, and salutation. And make sure you leave the line in between where it is required. What changes we have to make in this job letter is with reference to the advertisement published in the newspaper. यहाँ पे अगर कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, कोई कंपनी है जिसने अपनी जॉब्स के लिए किसी न्यूज़पेपर में एड्स दी है, एंड इफ समवन वांट टू अप्लाई फॉर द जॉब, यहाँ पर हम लोग प्रॉपर्ली मेंशन करेंगे कि यहाँ से आपका पब्लिश हुआ था एंड मैंने यहाँ पर पढ़ा, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर फॉर अप्लाइंग फॉर जॉब. I would like to apply for the post of. Here we have to write the designation कि कौन से, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है उन्हें 4-5 पोस्ट के लिए डाला हुआ है. अब मुझे किस पोस्ट के लिए चाहिए, मुझे वो भी क्लियर करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पर हम लोग डेजिग्नेशन लिखेंगे in your firm or in your organization or in your company. Here is a again body of a letter, that is paragraph 2. Here is the paragraph 3. Enclosed here with all my testimonials for your reference. Testimonials are the official documents, all the legal documents, for example, mark sheets, any previous experience certificate, any sort of certificates or paper documentation. यहाँ पर हम बता रहे हैं कि मैं सारे आपको साथ में लेटर के साथ में सेंड कर रहा हूँ. Looking forward positive intimation from your side. Always hope for the best कि जहां पर हम लोग जॉब्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं और वहां से एक पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स आए. So this is all about different types of letter, about the format, about the wordings we can use in particular topic. So if you have any doubt, you can give your comments. I will make sure to reply. Thank you.